I'm Paul Baker, and I'm in charge of developer training for HART. And the purpose of this training is to ensure that folks that attend have the knowledge and skill set to register a HART device and device description in a quick amount of time and with as little effort as possible. And so we teach a 4-day developer training twice a year in Germany, twice a year in the United States, and we try to do at least every other year in the Asia market, in either Japan or China or possibly both. So try to get that DD training out, FDI package build, and training to as many folks and many people as possible. This training is critical because it allows the person who's attending to get the skill set to learn how to write a HART DD. It's not easy. I mean, the firmware is built into the device, and the device knows how to behave. But again, folks coming on day one for the training is going to get the HART fundamentals. So what they get from the training is 4 days of consulting time with the trainer. And currently that's myself. So we will teach during the day, and we will have dinner in the evenings and social events to continue questions and answers along those lines. So when people leave on the 4th day, they have the confidence and the skill set to know how to register a DD, how to submit it, how to submit, get the device started for its registration, all the documentation that they need, because we guide them to the support site of the Fresh Desk ticket system. All this training can be customized. Like I said, we have annual, twice a year training in Germany and the US, but we also have different companies requesting us to do training on site. So we can go to their establishment, to their labs, to their facilities, and it's just them. So it's a lot easier. We have to worry about kind of protecting proprietary information. People are a lot more comfortable. We're helping maybe develop 1 or 2 device configurations, and it's specific consulting to help that company solve questions and concerns so that the next time they're registering a device and DD, or device description, for those that don't know what DD means, it allows them to have that skill set and knowledge to do so.